How to create a product animation video ad in Canva. First, go to Canva website, search video ad or product animation. Choose a template. Upload a high-quality image of your product. Make sure it's clear and well lit. Bring your product to life. Select your product image and explore Animate menu. You'll find options to make it. If you need unique background for visual element related to your product, use Canva's text-to-image tool or the magic media. Describe what you want, and Canva generate it. Add text and visuals, and enhance it with animation. To add music and sound, you could go to the element feature of Canva and choose the music or song that you would like to add in your video. Once you're happy, download your video ad as an MP4 file.